Forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
Beautiful Scorpios, how are you guys doing? I welcome you to Soul Star. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I wish that you guys are safe, your loved ones are safe, take care of them. COVID times, very tough times, right? So we're doing a July prediction as to what are the upcoming energies playing, how they're supporting you, what you need to see. So do watch your sun, moon and rising. Scorpios, those who are watching, cross watchers, please use your inner compass when you see the reading. Okay, I dabble in Vedic and Western both. All my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, like and subscribe if you have not. Let's see what you need to see. Just, they're showing me weaknesses. Keep a check on your weaknesses. Could be something to do with food for some overindulging into something. So it's about overindulgence, Scorpios. Let's see what is the Moonology Oracle you need to see. The messages I need to see for my Scorpios. Yeah, let's see what is the Oracle bringing in. Full moon has just passed by, right? Let's see what do we need to see for our Scorpios. So we have a new romantic cycle begins, Libra. So you could be dealing with a Libra, my Scorpios, could be a Leo. I feel to watch your sun, moon, rising, I say that. So I'm going to clarify this as I go forward. This could be really about feeling positive, but with strength. So yeah, maybe you have Leo in your chart, right? So you're gathering your self-confidence back to align your head and your heart somehow. That's what I see. Let's see what else comes out from the tarot. Libra is really a sign of love and harmony. It's about negotiations. It's about compromising. It's about... and no, this you don't take that. So it's about balance. So let's see, what do Scorpios need to see? Those who are watching and resonating. Thank you, Geeta. I just saw your message. Thank you. I'll revert to you in the evening. So there is no clock in the universe, guys. So whenever the title attracts you, there's something in this reading for you. Okay. Let's see what is the tarot advising for our Scorpios. Maintain balance, honestly, personal, professional, whatever, maintain balance. It is about balance, essentially. Could be the yin and yang energy in you, within you. Scorpios are extremely sensitive people. You're feeling a lot, then you're showing. Six of Pentacles. Can I ask for a better card? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Your energy, core energy playing, right? You could have Earth in your chart. So Scorpios, it's about that sense of balance, that sense of equal understanding. A well-balanced connection is all you're asking for. A healthy relationship or partnership in regard to work, promotion, incentive, anything, you know, which is not Ten of Cups. Your energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is what you're wanting, emotional wellness, nothing else. And you're saying, if this comes to me, I am happy in the zone that I'm in. And I can perform better at work. I can give more in family. I can give more to my relationships. In the initial bit, that's exactly what you're trying to gather. Piscean energy, but you feel stuck. This is not yet there. But they're saying this is right here. If you balance it all out and see with the new moon how you manifest, what you bring in, how you align your mind, your heart, and reap the results, you know. Stay overindulgence, devil, Capricorn energy. Stay away from temptations, please. Or you have Capricorn in your chart. Have your friends to help you through your work if you know there is trouble, etc. For some I see. but you feel tied down to somebody. For some people, I think you feel tied down to somebody and they're saying let go of that thing if it is not serving you on the highest level, because this is the Knight of Wands energy. Just go forward, play with it. Don't feel stuck to that energy. Don't feel tied down to that energy. That is why we have the Hanged Man here, okay? Team up with people who value you, who cherish you, who bring out the best in you. Could be about a legal matter that you need to pay attention to. Could be about paying more attention to the appearances. Sometimes it seems all beautiful sunshine. Page of Wands energy. You could be dealing with a fire sign. Could be a Capricorn. Could be Taurus, Virgo, as I said. Libra, yes. Leo, yes. So with the Page of Wands, the idea is that you need to remind yourself that you can be in this energy, but don't fall for appearances. You know, the dark and the light. With the Seer at the bottom of the Sun. If you balance these two well, this will not come. The Sun will come. So honestly, Scorpios, it's about feeling more, thinking less. Okay, it's about managing things in such a beautiful way that your professional life and your domestic life seems very complete. It's about being more productive in your relationships. It's about being more happier in your relationships. It's about having support from the universe to bring about those quality moments, those equal moments, those balanced, joyful moments in your life, so that you can enjoy every bit of it, okay? And you don't feel a victim, you don't feel stuck, you don't feel unworthy, you know, and you know that you're worth more and more. You know that you don't want to indulge with people who don't offer you positivity, hands down. So very amazing reading. Just remind yourself to stay balanced. In July, don't overindulge. Could be like someone coming to tempt you, saying that, you know what, I need you, I want you. But remind yourself, don't take any action in impulse. Don't rush. Don't rush is what I'll say, Scorpios. Don't rush into anything. Take time. Think. What are the notes from the universe that Scorpios need to see? Someone will try to please you, try to offer you something amazing. Don't fall for the trap. Okay? Don't just fall for the temptation. In every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking and the energy of love. Like Shah Rukh Khan said that किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने को मिल जाती है. Something like that. So it means that if you vibrate on a positive energy, if you connect with the source, if you align yourself, if you balance yourself, if you bring about the equilibrium, you will see magic in your life soon. And this is such a wonderful, wonderful message from the universe for you guys. So balance it out, the dark and the light, and you will experience the sun. So if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, bye.